I just wanted to do a very quick video on this here. This is that bad seam. It's on, oh, what's the name of the video? Walk Away Not. So I'll post this one afterwards, but this is what it looks like now. I touched it up, I dusted it down. I had a lot of pits, a lot of air bubbles, because again, there's a lot of painted surface here, and it created a bunch of air bubbles. But when I came back here, it was not dry enough to skim. But it was dry enough where I could take my knife and lay down those air bubbles and push those air bubbles down. And then I filled in a lot of the air bubbles and mudded all of those in a second time. And then I've dusted it all down. This is all ready for a skim coat. I've only got really one coat on here, but then I did go through and fill in all of the air bubbles. But this is what it looks like now. Now it's very flat. It's going to skim out very easily. I'll try to get a different angle here. You can see this is a full length butt joint, 8 foot long, floor to ceiling. And I have no doubt it's going to skim out. It's going to be beautiful, even with all this light coming up and down this wall. You are never going to see it, especially from my house. You have a great day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.